Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PSN password on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to Settings. Then scroll on down to where it says Users and Accounts. Then go to Accounts, and go to the right and go to Security. Set security features for your account. Then under here, we have the option for Password. Activate it. Then type in your current password so you can change a new password on the bottom here. Then just follow the must-haves on the right. Contain at least 8 characters. Include at least 2 of the following character types: letters, numbers, or symbols. Not contain letters or numbers used 3 or more times in a row. For example, BBB 2222. And try not to use the same password you're using for your Google email or anything like that, etc. So have a unique password for PlayStation. Then type it in and then go to confirm or OK on the bottom, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.